Cathedral, Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah, na alona Nnewi, Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, before sudden onweyebia. You can see this is part of Ifeanyi Ubah's legacy. The project, though almost 90-something% into its completion. Just look at. Just look at. Onye ife Chineke na amase. Ha mechefu abụọ na ebuza abụ na ọbịa ha somewhere. Ọ na-eme ife na-adịghị ekwe omume, ife na-adịghị ekwe omume, ife na-adịghị ekwe omume ka ọ na-eme. This has always been his favorite song. Just look at. Look at the legacy, and you tell me that na Ifeanyi Ubah ya agbacha na Nnewi. Yes, when you look at this, all these things, these marbles, if I pure marbles, all these marbles, here, Mbakalo, okeke, sent forth service last year, if I'm not mistaken. That was when he did all these things here. Yeah, you are telling me that na Ifeanyi Ubah ya agbacha na Nnewi agbacha? He cannot. Even anything, his name will go down the history as the first single individual, single-handedly lolo a cathedral to almost 90% completion. Yeah? Project this guy in a tiaka amolomo onwo joronjo agafelun na eba efelun na baketa nwere graveyard in okpulu eba. Almost okpulu altar this cathedral graveyard eba ya deni mande bishop mande okpulu ebe efroketa graveyard eba ya deni mande bishop mande nwere ka ha si wee rụọ ọrụ. So I hope na Catholic Diocese of Nnewi we make the body of Ifeanyi Ubah ka the first body ayeni under this cathedral. I hope that they will lay Ifeanyi Ubah to rest under this graveyard they do at this cathedral. Yes, I hope they are going to do that. They better do that. It will show a mark of respect to the man who made this powerful edifice possible. He drew this edifice and made this edifice possible. He made it possible. Yeah, it's a big project undertaken by one person. I don't know what happened of late. Ifeanyi Ubah TV, the biggest TV house, Enwelu, na Southeast, if not Nigeria, is almost 95% completion. All on a Ghana stadium, suddenly Olubido almost moving fast. Not at over time. Just look at beautiful project. Just look. I wish Ifeanyi Ubah Nondo Obosaye dedicated this church. I wished Ifeanyi Ubah Nondo Obosaye dedicated this massive project. But God knows the best. The only honor in the Catholic Diocese of Nnewi and Ifeanyi Ubah is to make sure that not now the first body Elowa under this graveyard they don't have this church. If not for anything, let that legacy live on. Let that legacy live on. Just look at throughout the life of this guy, it has been all about service, and not even about him and his family. Just look at the project. Yeah? Multi-millionaire, just look. This is the legacy of a man, and you tell me that na Ifeanyi Ubah watching at the stone. He will go down in history for so many things. He will go back and he will go down in history for. Just look at, made possible by one man, up to the 90% project Alolu here. Just look, and you tell me that now his soul will not be blessed. Yeah. The family should stop crying. Their father may be something that the generation yet unborn will always remember. Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. I pray that his soul, his loving soul, will rest in eternal peace. Amen. When I made this video, I was actually pleading that the body of Ifeanyi Ubah should have the honor of being the first body Ayelowa na the graveyard all under this pulpit. Little do I know that Manke Duniru Nabiale won't get where goes weather. Up till today,
I'm still waiting for somebody to actually tell me the reason Batalo na Akwa Ifeanyi Ubah mass in this massive cathedral. Omelu foundation stone here. Lower here up to 80 to 90% finishing. Yeah? Can somebody tell me, Njose, is it a doctrine under Catholic Church? Somebody Zam say no. That now actually now I can anybody mass in this cathedral. Now no every now everybody mass or anybody mass in this cathedral. Kedive pattern na onye lolo the cathedral up to almost finishing here. We not even at least, even though that I keep saying no zindo at the end of the day, all these things are matters anymore. But I am asking, why is it that he will not have the opportunity, he will not have the honor of a career burial mass in the church which he built single-handedly to almost finishing? Is it politics? Or is it that the family Ashoro? Or is it that it is a doctrine or known to suppose there is a word? I'm still waiting for somebody to tell me or to answer me or to give me an answer to this question. Until then, posterity awaits all of us. You want to go? If you cannot take a man away from the glory or deserve, and you cannot take the thank you away from a man who worked. Let him have the honor. If he cannot stay on the day I dedicated this cathedral, which I know that no is one of the dream, at least let him have the privilege of a walk into this cathedral. Now, that is just my thought anyway. Except, or no, there is something else which I don't know. Like the first day live broadcast, I said I stand to be corrected. I made this video where now I can go bury. The whole burial arrangement from beginning to end. There is nowhere I had anything about this cathedral. Shake ye. When you reason it, I'm a name where you can say no matter about. Okay. If you say so, look what I'm down.